Hi guys, so we are stopped here for lunch and I thought let's check how is the Hypersmooth. So this is where we stopped with Kamath Upachar and I am now recording in 4K 30 fps and I think this will be a separate video. The road trip video would have been already uploaded. So if you want to see that, link will be in the description or here somewhere I button. And this is how it looks. 4K 30 fps with Hypersmooth and clouds, and the audio is also from the camera itself. And let's just walk towards that side and see how is the Hypersmooth. So I'm just walking straight, not keeping one hand. I'm holding it with one hand and I'm just walking, and let's see.